Very excited to have received my burning bush plant seeds from Etsy. I believe the plant is called Kochia, and it's like a oval-shaped wispy puff, sort of like cotton candy. They're green in the summer and magenta or red in the fall. They grow a max of 28 inches. They take 14 days to germinate, so they need sun. So you're supposed to plant 3 or 4 seeds 2 feet apart. I have 3 tiny seeds here. You can hardly see them. This pot has about 2.5 bags of Miracle-Gro potting soil in it, and I have 1 layer of old lava rock at the very bottom, and I drilled a hole at the bottom center about 1/4 size. These are just pieces of rubber tire mulch. I thought that would be good just to mark the place. So I'm going to put my 3 little seeds that you can hardly even see right in the middle. Now they have to stay exposed to the light and stay moist. So I tamped them down a little bit. I hope I didn't bury them. They're really hard to see. So it's April 20th. It's been 14 days and there is no action yet. So I'm going to add 10 more seeds. I've taken a fork and messed up the dirt a little bit. I'm going to put 10 seeds in there, right in the middle. And it says to pat them down. You don't want them covered, but you want them to connect to the soil. And then I've been watering around the ring, and I've been misting the center. So I am determined to get some plants. So I have a grow light here under my cabinet, and I'm going to put about 6 seeds in each. Tamp it down, don't cover, just like the instructions. And I'm going to leave the light on until I see some sprouts. There's another picture of the seeds up close. It's like a little star. Today is April 29th, and a lot of my little seeds in the cardboard flat have sprouted. You see they have the little leaves on top. I've been rotating them in the house and outside the house, leaving them outside when there's actual sun. And it's difficult to see, but there's just one little sprout in my planter. It has not been as sunny as expected in South Texas for the end of April, almost May. It is May 8th and we pretty much have sunny days. I have at least 3 plants here and they look nice and hardy in the center. And I have one over here. Seed must have blown over here and it looks pretty good. Here's the ones I started inside. I've cut holes in the bottom of these little cardboard boxes, but they'll disintegrate. The seeds started inside, sprung up almost instantly, but you see they're not as hardy. And I have planted some more seeds here. Basically, I'm trying to fill up these 2 old grow boxes to hide that ugly electrical box. It's May 22nd. The burning bush shrub in the round pot, it's doing pretty good. It's almost 3 inches tall. I noticed some tiny pinholes on the leaves. So I have put a ring of this stuff around it, which is supposed to kill the bugs if it's caused by bugs. So like once a week I just put a ring around the plant. The plants are supposed to be 2 to 3 feet apart, so I'm only going to leave 2 in each grow box. I don't want to keep them from growing tall. I have a couple superstars here as well, and the best ones I'm putting in little pots. I'm just going to gift them to neighbors or co-workers. Let me show you this one I'm transplanting. This is a small plant and the roots are about 4 inches long already. These are 18-ounce decorative just drinking cups. I drilled a little hole in the bottom and I filled them up about 1/4 way with lava rock. And here is our superstar. It's about 6 inches tall now. It is the perfect little pom-pom shaped little bush. So I continue to water it every few days, and once a week I put that powder in to keep the bugs off. All the new leaves are micro hole free. And it's very pretty. It's not a lime green, but it's a brighter green than my lawn. So it's brighter than my grass. So when you drive by, it'll catch your eye. So I'm going to call this project a wrap. When fall hits, I will update the video thumbnail when they turn red. And that'll be interesting because I'm in South Texas, so I hope that occurs. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.